Hi guys, welcome back to the Issa Way food channel where we cook food or we review it. So today I'm joined by my friend here, Sky, who is going to be a commentator. Come say hi, Sky. Come on, say hi.
Fire, put on the lighter, that's how you cook it. Yeah,
That's how you eat it, yeah?
yeah, that's how you eat it. Yeah.
P is for peeling the carrots. Yes, man. G is for grating the carrots. Yes. So we have peeled the carrots, washed, and then now we're grating them for a nice fine texture. Next we'll add in 7 cups of all-purpose flour, a meal for 5. Yeah. A hole in the bowl basically means like leaving space where there's not so much flour in the center where you can put other ingredients basically. Yeah. So here we're adding 1.5 teaspoons of salt because we love some salt. We're adding seasoning to the flour before we need it, and then we are adding 4 tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, so don't be shy, please. Flavor your flour however much you like, and then we are adding 1 tablespoon of butter. I prefer salted. And then this is ghee, so 2 tablespoons of ghee. Yes sir. Don't be shy in mixing your flour and all these beautiful ingredients we've already put into it. So mix it as well as you can. And then we're adding a bit more ghee because why not? It's good. Ghee actually makes this chapati taste amazing. Trust me. Adding in the main ingredient, which is the grated carrot. So make sure you thoroughly mix this before anything else. Just mix it well. Yeah, don't be afraid of any particles or anything. And then we're gonna put in some room temperature water. Do not put in too hot water because it will burn your hand, or not too cold because it's harder to get a good consistency with cold water. So mix in, and this will take about 8 to 15 minutes. So you got this, you're doing a good job. We are adding oil because we're trying to make the dough smoother. Not that it's any harder, but oil makes everything so much smooth. And please remember to like this video and subscribe. Also comment down below how your process looks like thus far. I'm so curious. I wanna know. Let me know in the comments. And yes, the dough is ready. So it just took 15 minutes. A little spank here. And she's ready. Dividing the dough in thirds. So we have rolled it out, as you can see on the table, and we're currently oiling it. So what is in the red cup written Nescafe, I don't know if you can see that, is actual oil. So we have rolled it out, put oil on the dough, and now we've divided it into sections, and we're rolling it into circular mini dough pieces. That's what we're doing here. This process is important because we want to help it helps adding layers to the chapati, which is tastier, and also like for a better circular shape. Yeah. Next, we are drying it. So we keep it on the pan for like 2 minutes on each side, without adding any other thing like oil or anything like that. So that's what basically drying the chapati means. Taking now the dried chapati or dried dough, and then we put oil on it, and then we flip it, and then we wait for like 2 minutes for it to cook. Once it's cooked, it will turn color and have like brown specks. So yeah, so that's boiling the process, and from here the chapati is ready to eat.